We're back with a dish on Oz. It is the season for all things pumpkin. Tatiana, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Charlotte and I are so impressed by your work. Anyway, let this be some symbolic pumpkin for you because I'm carving up something really special. But I don't want to rush it. The Dish on Oz crew is doing the real work. They're making 3 recipes any pumpkin spice lover will fall for. Did I say it right, Gail?
You did it beautifully.
Gail's got a picture of her family pumpkin picking. What did you do with all those pumpkins? A lot of pumpkins.
They're so cute, those little ones of mine. You know, we do a lot in our house with pumpkins. We love going pumpkin picking, but truthfully, we end up not really eating them. I love decorating my house. I love carving them. If I have the little sugar pumpkins, I might cook with them. But I think the best part of pumpkins are the seeds. Yes. Toss them with some spices, toast them in the oven, the best snack ever. And good for you, right?
Yeah, I love it. So good for you. It's every nutrient you ever want. It's going to become a tree one day, right? These seeds, eat them all. Anyway, we got a roasted pumpkin ravioli with brown butter and sage. Just perfect for the fall. What do you got for us, Gail?
Well, there are a few steps here, but I assure you they are so easy and doable, and this is the dish that's going to impress every guest every time.
Okay.
So, Jamaica, you're gonna make the filling. You're gonna buzz up some roasted pumpkin, there's thyme, there's some sage, there's some salt, shallots, garlic, cream, and eggs in the blender. And it's gonna become, that's right, it's gonna become this beautiful puree.
And smooth.
That's right. Cool it down, and then you're gonna make your ravioli.
Okay.
So right here, Vanessa, you're gonna use ravioli wrappers. I'm not making pasta at home on a weeknight. That's not happening.
Right.
But you can just buy these ravioli wrappers.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take a little cutter.
Yes.
You can use a glass, you know, a water glass if you don't have a cookie cutter. Cut out circles.
Okay.
Exactly. And then you're gonna make the ravioli out of the circle.
Oh, wait.
It's really easy. So you're just gonna take a scant teaspoon, put it in the center. Now you want to never overstuff or they will explode in the boiling water. A little teaspoon, that's right.
So this is just
water wash.
water.
And
water.
Just water right on the edge, and then put a second wonton over it. Seal it with your fingers, get all the air out. You do them a bunch. You got it going over there. Nice job. And then I'm going to make my butter sauce.
I need an extra spoon. Here we go.
Oh, you need an okay, you got it. Swirly, nutty, roasty, toasty, brown butter. I've just taken butter and let it just simmer on the stovetop until it just starts to brown. I'm just gonna season it with a little bit of salt. Okay. Squeeze a lemon.
Ooh, nice.
That's the sound we love. And then some sage, fresh sage, exactly. Give that a swirl. And then I've boiled the ravioli. They cook really quickly, 2 or 3 minutes. That's all it takes. And they go right in.
I love
baste them in butter because I love to say that.
I love arts and crafts in the kitchen.
Who doesn't love to be basted in butter?
Arts and crafts in butter. You can't beat it.
All right, and Gail.
And then it goes right on the plate.
And there you go.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Beautiful.
All right, now we need a little ambiance in the kitchen. Dr. Oz, you got the pumpkin finally.
Wait for it, wait for it. Are you ready?
Let me see.
Do drum roll. What do you think? Surgical skills come in handy in the kitchen.
Oh my God. Finishing it with some beautiful strips using a vegetable peeler. Long, beautiful strips of Parmesan on top.
That's
some fried
nice.
sage.
All right. This is amazing. That pumpkin is fantastic. I mean,
I love this.
Eat, please.
Yeah,
Can we
let's
dig
do
in
it.
with this?
I love this.
It's all about the butter, ladies.
I want that one
It has to be perhaps the prettiest dish we have ever made on the dish.
Oh my
That
God.
is
really
so
attractive.
pretty. Gorgeous. And I love the plate.
Grab a fork. They're still working over here.
Still working.
They know.
We're making extra. Here we go.
It is
How to
ready
put
to eat.
themselves to
Pass
work.
it down.
Thank
There
you.
All right. Doc's going right out of the pan. I like the
the
style.
Careful, that's really hot.
I'm gonna cool it off. On my pumpkin.
I'll grab you one. Thank you.
Look in their eyes. See if they really like it. Oh, there's nothing left.
Thank you.
There you go. I'm taking mine right there. Pretty
so
decadent,
fancy.
right?
But
It's
no,
very
but
elegant, though.
it's rich, it's nutty. That filling is so amazing. That sage just kind of makes everything pop. I just love it.
That is
I love it. I
very
love it. I
good.
love it.
I'm so
And
glad.
it is so beautiful.
You can find the recipe on DrOz.com/thedish, and all of our shareable pics and step-by-steps are on Instagram at thedish.on Oz.